Hey there! Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple kitchen appliances, trying to make room for everything while still getting a delicious meal on the table? Well, I've got just the solution for you, the Ninja DT251 Foodi 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven. This incredible kitchen gadget is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking but is short on space. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or just someone who enjoys trying out new recipes, this versatile appliance is sure to become your new best friend. Let me tell you a bit about what makes the Ninja DT251 so special. With 10 different cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, toasting, and roasting, this oven can handle just about anything you throw at it. And thanks to its true surround convection technology, your food will cook evenly and quickly every time. But that's not all. The Ninja DT251 also comes with a built-in thermometer, so you can easily monitor the internal temperature of your food and ensure that it's cooked to perfection. Say goodbye to overcooked steaks and underdone chicken breasts. One of my favorite things about this oven is its generous capacity. With 6 trays included, you can cook multiple dishes at once, saving you time and energy. And if you're not sure what to make, don't worry. The Ninja DT251 also comes with a handy recipe guide to help get you started. So, how can you use this amazing appliance in your own kitchen? The possibilities are endless. Use it to whip up crispy air-fried French fries, perfectly golden brown toast, or even a mouth-watering roast chicken dinner. And with its sleek silver design, it'll look great on your countertop no matter what you're cooking. Now, you might be wondering how the Ninja DT251 stacks up against other similar products on the market. Let me tell you, this oven is in a league of its own. With its smart technology and intuitive controls, it's easy to use and produces fantastic results every time. Plus, its spacious interior and included accessories make it a great value for the price. But enough talk, let's get cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a total beginner, the Ninja DT251 Foodi 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven is sure to revolutionize the way you cook. So go ahead, give it a try and see for yourself just how versatile and convenient this kitchen appliance can be. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional oven that can handle all your cooking needs, look no further than the Ninja DT251 Foodi. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to delicious meals made easy. Order yours today and start enjoying the convenience and versatility of this amazing appliance. Happy cooking!